24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Ask them what a country means. After taking their feedback, explain to them that Pakistan is our dear country and we are called Pakistani. Urdu is our national language. Encourage the children to repeat the information one by one. Now show the picture of a parrot and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know where it lives? Some of them may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a parrot. It is green. Its name is Parrot and it's a bird. Ask the children if they know that a parrot lays eggs. You may get mixed responses. Now, show to the class a picture of a pencil and frame the questions like you have asked about the parrot. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter P and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter P. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the capital letter P with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Little bald parrot sat in his garret, eating toast and tea. A little brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away.
Write the letter P on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter P and it says P. Say the sound of the letter P. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. P, P, plant. P, P, plant. P, P, plant. P, P, plant. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter P activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter P on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the red point. Draw a straight line downwards. Then start from the red point again and make a half circle. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter P with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter P in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize P. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter P can be downloaded from the following website: www www.snowmanpublishers.com.